This electric mason jar vacuum sealer set is simple to use and very convenient. It's a great way to take your mason jars and have your items in there lasting as long as possible. This is USB rechargeable. The battery lasts a long time, and the suction it will have on your mason jar is pretty amazing. I'll show you how to use it, and we'll take a look at everything you get in the kit. You get several sealer bags, the USB recharging cable, some labels you can put on your jar, a marker to use either on the labels or on the lids themselves. So you'll get several types of lids. The item comes with attachments, so you can do 3 different size jars: large, a little bit smaller, medium, and then very small. You also get 2 bag clips and a jar opener. Notice there's no suction. Put the item on, press the button. You can choose auto, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. I chose the auto. And now it is on there. You'll have to use the jar opener in order to open it. Amazing. Now I'll vacuum seal some delicious pickles. I want these to stay good for as long as possible. They are in there good. I love that this is a complete kit. It has everything you need. Here's the packaging. I'm impressed with the packaging. I'm impressed with the product. And I'm impressed that my pickles and many other items will stay fresh as long as possible.